In our last video, we talked about how to get the yo-yo onto the string. We've done that. Now what we need to do is talk about the different types of winds.
Different types of wines?
No, winds.
Oh.
We have a fixed axle, we have a ball bearing yo-yo. The way to do the fixed axle wind is to pinch the string, slowly rotate it until it catches, and then you can continue that rotation as you go down the string. Now you've wound a fixed axle yo-yo. Ball bearings are a little bit trickier to wind. If you're to pinch the string like you would a fixed axle and rotate it, it will continually go. You're never gonna wind this yo-yo. However, if you take your finger, make a loop around your finger, and then wind around the side of the yo-yo, release that finger loop, continue that wind, you now have a wound bearing yo-yo. Let's do some bonus winds. The first one is a thumb wind, and that's where you're gonna take your thumb, you're gonna put it in the center of the yo-yo, along the string with the string vertical, and then there's three things that are going to happen. You're gonna be putting your thumb like that, pulling down, and giving a little tug, all at the same time. And that will ideally bring it back to your hand. Let's do our second bonus wind. That is the snap wind, which is almost like you're snapping your fingers, except you're gonna also push upward with your hand as you're snapping. And ideally, and ideally, you'll end up with your yo-yo in hand like this. All right, we just learned how to wind the yo-yo. If you just click here, we're gonna teach you how to do some basic yo-yo throws.